Hello viewers, welcome to Moja for Industry. We are at Imtex Farming 2024 and at the stall of SLTL Group. So SLTL Group, for past 35 years, it's empowering innovation as well as empowering Indian manufacturing ecosystem.
Yeah.
What's there for SLTL Group and the manufacturing sector from SLTL Group in the years to come?
Well, there are a lot of innovations which we are working upon. Our foundation has been built on innovation. Our foundation has been built on designing and new products. So, as here what you are able to see is 50 mm mild steel cutting.
Exactly.
Really nice finish. So 50, 40, 36, lot of other thicknesses which we are able to showcase. So this is a result of the innovation what our team has actually done till this date.
What sort of breakthrough technologies we can expect in this domain in the year 2024?
So when you talk about breakthrough technologies, we are showcasing a 5-axis cutting machine. Maybe I can take you there to show you around. We have an IoT solutions which is helping our customer base to make sure that they are constantly having a highest level of productivity through our systems.
Well, we know that laser technology has evolved over the years. At the same time, your market penetration has also grown like anything. What's the market share you have as of now?
Overall, if you talk about as an Indian company, fiber laser cutting, we have a market share somewhere around 25 to 30%, and it is growing. Eventually also, the sheet metal market is also growing at a very rapid pace. And we have been continuously making sure that, we are innovating new products. At Imtex, we are showcasing 20 kilowatt, 10 kilowatt, 12 kilowatt, couple of high power laser cutting machines as well.
See, empowering innovation is not possible without empowering the skilled. No, and what sort of action being taken by a leader like SLTL Group to attract young engineers to this particular domain?
Well, we do give a lot of training to our team members at our SLTL. We have a training cell within SLTL to make sure that all our team members are well trained when it comes to laser systems, laser application, know-how, safety aspect. We give a lot of emphasis on safety as well. Also, we have a skill center where all our customers are also getting trained. So our beauty of our products is even a customer who is only aware about just an AutoCAD or a Corel Draw and a computer, we can train him to operate any of our machine.
So 5-axis machine you are talking about, so let's go there and take a look.
Yeah, so this is our latest 5-axis fiber laser cutting machine. It is equipped with a 3 kilowatt laser power, and it can cut any kind of intricate profile cuttings for automotive components. Any kind of press component, it can process it much easily, and it comes with a lot of features like compensation and making sure that our customers get the right kind of accuracy. It is built with a 3 meter by 1.5 meter large volume with a 6500 mm Z-axis. It can cover a large kind of a hood. If you look at the largest part of the car is the car hood, the top of the car. That also can be processed much easily. And a lot of other new specialty material which are special aviation grade material also, because today the cars are becoming lighter and lighter, and the material plays a vital role in terms of giving that strength.
Right.
We cannot use just a normal mild steel or a stainless steel. So this laser system is actually capable enough to process all those materials as well.
Right. So as you said that vehicles are becoming lighter and lighter. So is it somehow driven by electric vehicle segment?
Yes, EV segment is also a primary segment wherein the batteries, aluminum is used, stainless steel is used, and making sure that the entire car is lighter, safety cannot be compromised, and on top of it the efficiency of the car. Because if you want to have a charging at a lesser amount of charge and more kilometers, then actually the car weight has to be reduced.
Right.
And that's where the new materials, where with laser processing, it helps. It is much better to process with laser than a conventional technology.
So our government has recently introduced anti-dumping duty for laser cutting machines. What's your take on that? Because you are very vocal on that particular subject.
Well, I think government has taken a right initiative at the right timing. I would strongly urge that yes, this will help Indian customers, Indian manufacturers a lot. That we are now actually having a level playing field, and in the times to come, I think there is going to be a lot of manufacturing which is going to happen in India. Just after this anti-dumping duty has been imposed, a lot of joint ventures have already started beginning. fundamentally why this duty is required. It's not on the technology. It is fundamentally because of the price, the value which they were giving at. It was all undercut value which was coming from China. That is the reason, this duty has been imposed. But there will be a level playing field wherein the Indian manufacturers will be actually empowered rather than to trade. Will actually start working towards, make in India. Or actually the preference towards manufactured products in India would be much more promoted.
So, what are the other exhibits you have this time? If you can just tell us more about that.
Tube beveling,
Right.
wherein this is a tube bevel, which is a chamfer cutting like a saw. So we are showcasing this first time in MTEX tube bevel machine with a completely automated tube bundle loader. Right. So this is a beautiful software what we have developed along with this particular feature of auto correction of the centering. If there are holes and if I want to put up a pen,
Right.
okay, this will directly go through. So this will be centered in a very nice way. Otherwise, because there would be a dimensional issue here, and then, it requires some kind of a compensation. So this will be always in the right direction, that this hole and this hole are very much centered.
Right. So, talking about the financial performance of SLTL, what is the percentage of revenue we generate from the export markets?
Overall, right now, we are growing in export market. Export market was somewhere around 30% of our total revenue. This year, we expect to at least go around 38% of our revenue. So exports is growing.
Just to make a statement, and before we conclude, I would like to hear from you, Maulik. What's your vision statement for SLTL in 5 years down the line? What exactly you want to be, and what sort of revenue target you have? One more.
As a vision, I think, we want to be a global company. We are already a global company to a certain extent. We have our channel partners at a lot of countries. We are already exporting to 45 countries. Our vision is to actually go to 100 countries by 2025. It's very important to grow and to make our India's presence globally.
So it was Mr. Maulik Patel sharing his insights on the market as well as sharing vision for SLTL Group in the years to come. Thank you so much for joining us today, sir.
For more updates, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon.